Today, Ify the Car Guy brings you something what Toyota calls rugged elegance. This fourth generation Prado has been re engineered so that off road prowess and luxury work in a harmony. This is the TX version. Let's have a look what's underneath the hood. This TX version comes up with a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder VVTi engine that kicks out 160 horsepower with 246 Newton meters of torque. With a 5-speed automatic transmission attached, it delivers all combined fuel economy of 9 kilometers per liter, which isn't too bad. Prado is also offered with a 4-liter V6 engine that produces 275 horsepower and 381 Newton meters of torque. The diesel version is a 3-liter turbocharged engine that develops 170 horsepower and 410 Newton meters of torque, which is quite impressive. The design of this Prado is true to its heritage and projects the qualities of a vehicle that is robust, powerful, and entirely at home in any environment. At the front, there is a new oversized bumper design with integral fog lamps, which emphasizes Prado's powerful stance. The impact of the front overhang on the off-road driving approach angle has been minimized by sharply trimming the lower section. The new front grille has vertical bars highlighted in chrome and silver finishes on higher grade versions, framed by headlamp cluster with cylindrical high and low beam lamps and turn indicators that extend into the wing so that they are visible from the side. Seamless bodywork with minimal panel gaps and a series of aerodynamic enhancements have reduced the vehicle coefficient of drag from 0.37 to 0.35, which in turn supports a marked improvement in high-speed cruising fuel economy. Inside the Prado is rather a nice place to be. It's so comfortable inside with clear road view. It does provide us tech goodies to play with. At your fingertips is in-dash CD and DVD player system. It has sat-nav, Bluetooth, auxiliary, HDMI port, reversing camera and lots more. This is the dual zone automatic climate control system. It has very nice leather wrapped steering wheel, hand stitched with pretty decent amount of controls on the left hand side. It's all multimedia controlled. On the right hand side, it has Bluetooth control, radar, and driver information selector. It has cruise control as well. The newly designed cluster has brilliant round dials with fuel gauge integrated into speedo dial and temperature gauge into the tachometer dial. There is a driver information screen in the middle to show you different parameters relevant to the car, such as instantaneous fuel economy, average fuel economy, outside temperature, etc. Instead of a conventional transfer shift lever, this Prado has an easy to use dial switch with which you can choose between high or low gear ratios with central differential free or locked. You actually just need to turn this switch around and the motorized system do the job for you. By default it's H4F and that means full time 4-wheel drive. In this case central differential is free for driving on roads. Now if you switch it to H4L, this is meant for off-roading. In this case, central differential will be locked and the vehicle can't be driven on road normally. However, in this case, torque split is 50:50 for better off-road climbing ability. Moving forward, if you switch it to L4L, this engages the low range gearing where central differential is locked. Now let's get to the middle seats. The second row seating configuration gives more flexibility for arranging the interior to cope with different accommodation and load carrying requirements. These seats have tilt adjustment and the base slides independently through a 135 mm range to gain extra legroom or load space as required. Let's not forget about 40/60 rear folding seats that allows tremendous amount of boot space when folded. If required, you can raise the seat and you can easily fit in 2 adults. If you go for a higher trim model, the seats are electronically controlled and some other models are offered with a high specification of luxury features including a surround sound premium audio system, triple zone automatic air conditioning and a DVD gaming entertainment package for rear seat passengers, creating a welcoming environment inside the vehicle whatever the driving conditions outside might be like. It is equipped with proven permanent four-wheel drive system using a torsion limited slip differential in normal condition. Torque split is 40:60 front to rear, but the LSD can automatically vary this ratio from 50:50 to approximately 30:70 in order to achieve optimum distribution in any given driving style. It has a revised independent front suspension design and a four-link rear system with lateral rod, giving strength, reliability, and durability with the degree of long wheel stroke that is required for outstanding off-road performance. This Prado benefits from a higher level of advanced but user-friendly handling and guidance feature that help the driver tackle the most challenging routes. At the same time, new suspension technology and onboard monitors make Prado more comfortable and easier to maneuver through everyday urban traffic too. Clever interior packaging provides highly flexible seating and luggage space arrangements with generous space for up to 7 on board. This Prado comes up with on and off-road safety features. Advanced engineering and sophisticated electronic system provides a high level of protection while at the same time making driving more rewarding, helping the driver explore and enjoy the limits of vehicle's performance. It comes as a standard with 7 airbags with full range of braking, traction control and stability system. Here I have to conclude that it has good on-road performance and great off-road driving. The Prado enjoys a special status in the global market as a vehicle that has proved its tough, lasting and reliable qualities in the most extreme environments. This pedigree has provided the platform for development of all new Prado that goes further than even before to deliver a balance of go-anywhere performance with the poise, comfort and refinement Ford response in normal day-to-day driving. Thank you for watching us. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please leave a comment and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.